Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna make one more video for tonight. This is my overall focus list for the week. I made this a lot shorter because there are just too many names and I'm not really staying focused. So I cut it down a little bit and I have an action plan for all of these. Number one, AFRM. I love this look. We got a breakout, a nice little controlled pullback to the 10 EMA. Friday we had some volume in there, closed green while the rest of the market was basically a bloodbath. If I can talk here. And then it's also holding this kind of a breakout and a retest of this 52 level and with the 10 EMA confluence there. So that's a nice look in my book. Amazon, you can see that it is pulling back to the prior all-time highs. So if anything, this can be a breakout and retest look. So I'm watching to see what price wants to do there. It's also tagging the 20 EMA for the first time since kind of chopping around it. So that could be a potential good entry. App, I like the tight consolidation over the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days, basically last week, not giving back this gap up. And so I will be watching that as you can see I have my marker on here for the break of those highs. It's also unable to, number one, fill the gap, but unable to even get to the anchor VWAP from the gap up. CLSK, coin cores, all that stuff I did on a separate crypto video, so go check that out. DESP, I like that it gapped over this big base here. So I'll be watching for either a continuation, maybe on the 30-minute time frame, or a pullback and a retest. So that's a future look. EXPE, nice gap up, controlled selling down to the 10 EMA on volume on Friday, bottoming tail, closed back within this 184 to 170. 970 range. So it's within that little consolidation here, undercut all that, failed to fill this gap all the way, and then closed green. So that's a pretty decent look. I think I went over that. Crypto. OKLO. This is, so there was news over the weekend that Trump appointed the CEO of this company. So we could get a nice little gap up after this, but this is a, what is it, a nuclear play here for energy, basically. Riot, this was another crypto. I went over that. SDIG, another crypto. SE, Seattle. You can see that it broke out of this level. Okay, and it's coming back to retest it. Nice bottoming tail on volume on Friday. Tag the 10 EMA. So breakout, retest with 10 EMA confluence. Sophie, this thing has been ripping. Good for you guys that have gotten in, especially around here when it was consolidating. I missed a breakout. Pull back to the 10, even tag the 20, and this thing just continues to rip. So this is kind of flagging now and letting the 10 EMA kind of catch up. Increase volume relative to the red day on Thursday. Not able to cut the lows on Thursday, so we had inside day on Friday. So whatever way this way breaks, just watch. And typically I would go with, not financial advice, I would go with the breakout with the stop below, it's called 1290. 1280, 1275. Square, love the look of this. Nice pulling back on earnings day. It said, hey, this might be a good opportunity to buy. I never did. I didn't trust it, to be honest with you, but it was a good opportunity in hindsight. So we get a nice move on these levels here. I got a whole bunch of them drawn. So found supply again at prior supply area. Never get a little pullback. Maybe it pulls back deeper into the 10 EMA. Maybe it chops around, consolidates for a couple days, lets that catch on up. Either way, it's on my watch list for this week. Upstart failing to fill this gap. It's got 1, 2, 3 days of bottoming tails. Increased volume on Friday. Finished green on Friday with the blue when the market was bloodbath. The one thing to keep in mind, I think this is still underneath the anchor VWAP from this gap up day. And I believe it's just overhead too. So be mindful of that. Yeah, it's around 73 or so, 73.20. So be mindful of that for 3-4% ahead. That could act as supply. Either way, if you entered here, it's a 10 EMA tag, nice gap up, pull back to the 10 EMA, fail to gap fill. So that looks decent. FST has been very strong. If you zoom out, this has just been insane. And it's pulling back again to the 50 SMA, kind of just like it did similarly. What I'm trying to show you this over here, but uptrended, pull back 50 SMA, uptrended, created a higher high, not a very strong one, so just keep that in mind. But finished green on the day with a very red market on Friday, tagging the 10 EMA. And then last one is Wolf. Again, that was my crypto. So let me blow this up for you. That is what I am looking at for the week. Stay safe, manage your risk. Thanks for your time. If you like this, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. If you like Trade Ideas, use promo code DCOB15. You get 15% off of this amazing tech and amazing software. Otherwise, if you guys are looking for a trading community, come hang out with us at Micro E Futures and then Equities ETC. We're a great team over there. We all collaborate and help each other grow, toss ideas. Trading can be lonely. Don't do it alone. I highly do not recommend that. Any real trader will tell you the same thing. So thanks for your time. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Later. Have a good week.